Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will tell you about the heating problem in your device Realme 5, 5S and 5i. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the heat, like your device heats up while using or become hot again and again while using, you can easily fix it by following the few steps as I will show you. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn how you can fix the heating problem in your device. Let's watch the video and fix the issue.